Aluminium Bi-Folding Doors, innovative design for practical use. The trick to a functional home is efficiency. Achieve a sleek and modern aesthetic with thermal aluminium profiles via inward and outward opening options. Meet the demands of any home upgrade projects with the Aluminium Bi-Folding Doors. Reduce heat loss and improve your home's energy performance. Ensure that your home and family are secure with a high security lock. Designed for durability, guarantee long-lasting performance. Every project is unique. Customization is key. Embed the lower frame in the floor for a seamless look, or create a 90-degree open corner without a mullion. Match your decor to over 200 finishes and stains, including dual color options. Enjoy easy installation, expert advice, detailed quotations, and a comprehensive site survey. Choose perfect crystal windows and transform your home today.